description.
Well, how is it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I started up today with my camera here, and I usually am watching what my camera is doing on this phone, and TeamViewer is not working. I'm guessing it has to do with a recent update to the phone. So this episode might be a little out of frame. I'm thinking maybe I'll install like VNC or something. I don't know. But at the moment, I have no monitor. So I have no idea what you're looking at, when you're looking at, or what. So there'll be a lot of flipping of the camera around so I can see what you're looking at kind of thing. I apologize for that. But today we've got a fancy one. This is a collaboration between Sapporo Ichiban. See, usually I can see what you're looking at there, but I can't. It's debilitating. Sapporo Ichiban in collaboration with Marutai. Basically, it's made by Marutai. Kagoshima style creamy Tonkotsu flavor ramen, and it's for the US, and you can get it here in the US. So that's pretty groovy if you like that kind of thing. So we'll need one of these and one of these, and yes, one of these bundles of noodle. Man, what a crummy way to start things off. I'm like, it's like I'm missing an eyeball. It's really strange, but I think I'll muddle through it. I've always had a monitor when I do this show, so it's kind of perplexing. Okay, water's going. Nothing on that. Sometimes the little wrappers look neat, but I'm going to, let's see if I can do this. Wow, this is really, really weird. Anyways, 3 minutes. I need a fork. There we go. Wow, I thought I had the fork drawer all screwed up. I guess I didn't. Let's allow the ramen to ingratiate itself into the boiling water. There we go. Doesn't take long. It's only 3 minutes. But yeah, how's it going? Already went to the store and back, and they were supposed to have a sale, and now they don't have a sale, so that kind of sucks. I did bring a beverage instead of asking you to wait for me to get a beverage. So that's kind of nice, I suppose. I didn't even grab bowls. Crap. Okay, so I gotta grab bowls. I got a minute and 52 to get bowls. I'm gonna use this one. Oh, okay. And I don't think any of these other bowls will work. That could work. And then I've got that one, which I've got to find something definitely nice. I'm keeping an eye on you. There we go. I want a dark one. I've got a nice Taiwanese variety that I want to have look nice, but I don't want too big of a bowl. They're too small of a bowl. I guess I'll just, yeah, I'm going to use that bowl. That bowl sounds good. sucks though when stuff's not doing as I prefer it did. Cool, things are working out now. Piping hot. All right. Back to what I was doing. So this is going to be a Tonkotsu ramen. It should be good. It's definitely done. Now the tricky part. Man, I know. We're going to do the, let's see. Let's see, can I see it from there? There we go. I don't know, this might end up working better in the long run, but we'll find out. There's some stuffings. I don't know, I'll be honest, what makes it that stuff, but, you know. But there's 3 varieties of these. I've only seen them at one place, and that's S-Mart. That's right, shop smart. Shop S-Mart. For those of you who are interested in shopping at S-Mart, that's the deal. Okay, so we got some nice sloppy tonkatsu here. This looks good. I came out with my top 10 global list the other day, and that was, yeah, 2 days ago. And I had somebody that was like, really? There's no Marutai on this list? I'm like, no, there's not. Nope. Although I will say, if I had a top 20 list, there'd be a lot of Marutai on there, I think. Ten slots and people wanting to try new stuff and me wanting to showcase what I really like is a really, really it's constrictive. That's easy 5-star. I mean, it's like Marutai Tonkatsu is really just wonderful stuff. Nice, full, thick. It's very porky, but the thing is, though, this is for the US. The variety you would get in Japan would have pork in it. This one will not, because you just can't do that. No pork for you, American. Okay. See, I'm looking at the back of my phone. Here's this is tricky. Okay. Let's give it the comb over. You know, that is a funny thing. So I found at one point that I was going bald, and I was like, this looks stupid. It's like somebody took a weed whacker to the top of my head. And then I was like, well, I don't like it. So what do? I shave my head. Some people, they spend scads of cash on their bald head trying to make it a hairy head again. I'm not one of those people. A, I couldn't afford it because it's ridiculous, and B, I'm just not, I mean, I don't know, I'm not trying to sell myself short, but I'm just not that vain. I'm not that into like how I look. I'm too busy doing things to be that freaking like that. I do like to exercise, but having hair when it's really hot outside is kind of a impediment, a hair pediment. I'd rather be a Caucasian hairless at that point. Scallion. I just made some eggy wags this morning. I made 3 and I wanted to have 4, but my son just started making all this racket, and I gotta tell you, there's certain things that stress people out. For me, it's loud noises while I'm trying to shell eggs. That one was a little short. But yeah, he started making all this racket. I'm like, at least it was the last one. But it's like out of nowhere. It made me jump and my thumb went right through the damn thing. It's like, kid, really? That wasn't necessary. See. And yeah, I'm gonna use my pepper thread on this because I'm just like really enamored with it right now. I will use some chili crisp. First, so I need the holy spoon, but God, I haven't used that one. There it is. Hello, spoon. Isn't there a thing called Hello Spoon? I don't know, but I'm going to do some robbery here, if it'll let me without making a big mess. Beautiful color. I'll use the Chu Chow Likum Key. I'm gonna put a little glob of that right there. I like putting it next to the chashu because then when I actually, if I'm gonna eat this, I'm gonna scoop it on top of the chashu and eat it like a taco. You got me? That's my deal. And I gotta say, the first couple times I used it, it wasn't so bad, but since the first couple times, this pepper thread, it's like so tangled up. And is that a good amount of it? I'm still trying to figure out where I like to place it. Well, now it's all over the place. I'll have to deal with that in post. I'll have to find the lid. Okay. So there you go. This is really good stuff, and I wish my camera junk was working because this is really, I feel it an impediment, and I don't like that. one you're gonna see. Oh, it's trying to connect to it again. Let's see. Let's give it one last shout out of. It'd be great if you decided to work camera. That would be super cool. Come on. I tried to update the host app and it just won't do crap. And they're working on trees across the street, but I seem to have just fine for data. But the next one is going to be this Aquan. Hi, Aquan. And it's rice noodle garlic crayfish flavor. So this should be interesting, and that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you to enjoy your instant noodles each and every day. Now I gotta turn my back on you and push the button. Have a good one. Bye-bye.